How to lose diabetes. This is one of the most searched questions on the internet. Millions of YouTube videos have been made on this single question, and thousands of articles have been written on this single question. All over the world, approximately 0.5 billion people are living with diabetes, and the number is projected to increase by 51% in 2045. Before we dive deep into our topic, welcome to my channel, where we will discuss important health topics that matter to you. Without any further delay, let's get started. Diabetes is a lifelong, chronic illness that affects how your body regulates blood sugar, also known as glucose. Carb, fat, protein, and glucose are very important sources of energy for our cells. But glucose is the first one to provide instant energy to our cells. That's why glucose is very crucial for our cells and insulin. Insulin is one of the hormones in our human body that is released by our pancreas. There are two main causes that are responsible for diabetes. First, insulin is not able to function properly. Second, your pancreas is not able to function properly. Based on these reasons, there are two types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, known as insulin-dependent diabetes and juvenile diabetes. As the name suggests, patients with this type of diabetes have to rely on insulin injections or insulin pump therapy. In this kind of diabetes, your pancreas is not able to release a sufficient amount of insulin. Generally, type 1 diabetes often develops in children or young adults. Although it can occur at any age, excessive thirst, unusual weight loss, slow healing, and unusual tiredness even after taking sufficient rest are some symptoms of type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes, known as non-insulin-dependent diabetes or adult-onset diabetes, occurs when your pancreas releases a sufficient amount of insulin, but your cells in the body are insulin-resistant. It means the cells do not respond effectively, which increases the blood sugar levels in our blood. The main reasons for type 2 diabetes are a bad lifestyle, unhealthy eating, obesity or excessive body fat, genetics, physical inactivity, and hypertension. Type 2 diabetes usually occurs in old age. Excessive thirst, unusual tiredness, unusual weight loss, and slow healing are symptoms of type 2 diabetes, just like type 1 diabetes. It is very challenging to reverse type 2 diabetes. If anyone is suffering from diabetes, then they can understand that it is very difficult to reverse the disease, especially type 2 diabetes. It's very challenging to reverse diabetes, but it can be managed effectively through lifestyle changes like a healthy diet, regular exercise, monitoring blood sugar levels, and, if prescribed by a doctor, medications like insulin or oral medications. It's crucial to work closely with healthcare professionals to develop a personalized management plan. But the best thing that anyone can do is to take the necessary treatments or medications in the stage of prediabetes. Prediabetes is a condition between diabetes and normal diabetes. In prediabetes, your blood sugar levels are high, but not enough high to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. We can reverse our diabetes at this stage. But then the question is, how do we know if we are prediabetic or not? So generally, prediabetes often has no noticeable symptoms, but if you experience that your skin at armpits, necks, knuckles, and elbows is getting dark, frequent urination, increased thirst, and increased hunger, then these are the signs of prediabetes. If you notice these signs, then you should check your blood sugar levels. If your blood sugar levels are between 100 and 125 milligrams per dl, then it is a clear sign of prediabetes. Another thing we can all do is check the A1C test. If your blood test shows your average blood sugar level over the past 2 to 3 months, A1C levels between 5.7% and 6.4% suggest prediabetes. Now, if you're finding yourself in the category of prediabetes, then these are the things you can do to reverse your prediabetes. The first is to change your diet. Focus on a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit the intake of sugary foods, refined carbohydrates, and saturated fats. Second, manage your weight. If you are overweight, losing even a small amount of weight, 5 to 10% of your body weight, can significantly reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. To manage your weight, you can engage in regular exercise, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, along with strength training exercises at least twice a week. The third thing is, if you're a smoker, then quit smoking. Fourth, manage your stress. These are things that you can do to reverse your prediabetes, but then the question arises. Now that I am in the category of type 2 diabetes, how do I manage type 2 diabetes? As we further discuss, it is very challenging to cure type 2 diabetes, but with the right approach, you can easily manage your diabetes, which includes a healthy lifestyle and healthy eating. Don't forget that healthy eating and a healthy lifestyle are the two most important for good health. For healthy eating, every diabetic should include foods like broccoli, spinach, carrots, kale, flax seeds, carvalac, and herbs and spices like cinnamon, turmeric, garlic, and ginger in their diet. These foods are like blessings for patients with type 2 diabetes. And my dear friend, if you or your relatives are suffering from type 2 diabetes, then I have something for you that will help thousands of diabetic patients in their journey with diabetes management, and that will definitely help you in your journey. It's achieved an amazing rating of 4.95 out of 5 and some real customer reviews. But before we know about the product, let's discuss the 3 major questions that customers frequently ask. Why should I give this product a try? What if this product does not work for me? Is this product safe to use? So, it is a great product for your diabetes management, getting a very amazing rating of 4.95 out of 5 as we discussed it before. It works in the majority of cases. Within a week, they see the difference, but if, in someone's case, it doesn't work or you're not satisfied with the result, then it has a 60-day money-back guarantee. The ingredients used in this product are natural and non-GMO, so it is completely safe. And the name of this amazing product is Sugar Defender. The link to the official website of Sugar Defender is in the description. Try Sugar Defender and live your life very healthy. I hope this video helps you. That's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.